How do we grow? Two seeds can be planted next to each other in the same garden, under the same conditions, but only one may flower. Why is that? The answer is what's going on below the surface. In the ground, there are not enough resources to support every seed, and these limits create competition, where only the seeds that seize their opportunity will break through into the sunlight. API's soil has never been richer with opportunity for us to grow. Dynamic 9D LADAR is here. And after a successful launch at Control and the debut of its tracked robot-mounted measurement at IMTS, the buzz and excitement around API is higher than ever. API saw a record year in 2021, and through hard work and diligence, we have overcome economy and supply chain challenges to continue that growth in 2022. With that growth and the high demand for 9D LADAR, API has serious momentum. Using our knowledge of the industry, dimensional metrology, and customer support, we're going to continue supplying the smallest, lightest, most accurate laser trackers that have been wireless for a decade. We're going to teach the world everything that the unparalleled technology of 9D LADAR can do, from inline automotive body in white, to aerospace tooling, to windmill mold verification, and more. We're going to show how API's integrated metrology solutions for automation is the most complete production metrology offering in the business. And we're going to do it starting now.